gubernatorial candidate Noel Enrique Rosal has obtained the highest number of votes. It is for this reason that we would like to manifest and enter into the records of this proceeding that gubernatorial candidate Jose Maria Clemente Salceda manifest and formally move before this Provincial Board of Canvassers a motion to suspend the proclamation of gubernatorial candidate Noel Rosal. On the primary ground, which we want to take notice of the import of a Court of Appeals decision, which I cite into the records of this proceeding, Court of Appeals General Record SP 185892, in the case of Noel Rosal and Carmen B. Rosal versus Adrian Duterte. For the records of these proceedings, which we want to take notice, in said decision, it has upheld its earlier decision to deny the motion for reconsideration filed by the Rosals, who sought to overturn a ruling that rejected their application for a temporary restraining order against the office of the Ombudsman. As we all know, Your Honors, this case involved a decision which dismissed gubernatorial candidate from his position with the penalty, as we all know, that the penalty of dismissal from service is immediately executory. Relying on this pronouncement in this particular court decision, correlating now with Comelec Resolution 11102, promulgated January 22, 2025, specifically citing Section 34, Paragraph 1 thereof, which in substance provides that a disqualified candidate who obtained the highest number of votes shall not be proclaimed. Instead, the candidate who obtained the second highest number of votes shall be proclaimed. It is the paragraph 1 of section 34 that applies. What applies is the proviso under paragraph 7. And for accuracy, I quote, Your Honor, provided that in all instances where a decision or resolution of the Commission, either sitting in division or en banc, disqualifying a candidate or cancelling or denying due course a certificate of candidacy is presented before the Board of Canvassers, a certificate of finality issued by the clerk of the Commission must be attached to said decision/resolution. End of quote, Your Honor. That is only one of the requirements. There is another requirement, Your Honor. In the succeeding paragraph, and I quote again, Your Honor, where a petition to deny due course or cancel a certificate of candidacy, declare a nuisance candidate or for disqualification remains pending with the Commission on the day of canvassing and no order of suspension of proclamation is issued by the Comelec en banc or division where said petition is pending, the BOC shall proceed to proclaim the winner notwithstanding if there is /R pending cases filed against him or her. Your Honor, I am not surprised that none of these two requirements were presented by the movant. That is because it is not existing. The facts are, there is no certificate of finality and there is no order coming from the Comelec. And lastly, Your Honor, this same resolution under Section 34, Your Honor, it also says, 3 days before the convening of the BOC, the clerk of the Commission shall furnish the BOC concerned a list of final and executory cases with restraining order. We do not see any list, Your Honor. And the movement has not presented any list. I therefore respectfully pray that the motion to suspend proceeding proclamation be denied outright for utter lack of merit
and to proceed with the proclamation of the winning candidate. Thank you, Your Honor.